This video right here is my hair in August 2024, and here is my hair just last week. The gap between them is 5 months. Sit back, let me teach you everything that I did that got me to this length.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you know.
Hi there, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, this is Meso Machukwu Adeze, aka the only Meso. On this channel, I share natural hair content, healthy living, and my everyday lifestyle through vlogs. So if this is your vibe, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's vibe. So on today's video, we are going to be discussing one of my favorite topic, which is hair growth. Whether you are starting new or you've been here before, but then you are struggling with your natural hair, I bet you this is your to-go video. So without wasting much of your time, the first of the tip I'll be giving you is your scalp health. Guys, your scalp is just like the soil, is the bedrock on which your hair grows. So do not joke with your scalp health. A clean scalp equals a healthy hair, equals a long hair. Whenever your scalp is clean, that means you're actually on the right track. The ways at which you improve your scalp health, number one is scalp massage. Guys, do not sleep on scalp massage. There are a lot of tools that you can use. You can actually use your hands. God gave you hands, your hands to massage. Just you massage your hair whenever you are moisturizing your hair, or anytime you apply oil or stuffs like that. Just use your hands this way. You massage your hair. You can see what I'm doing. You massage your scalp all the time. The benefit of massaging scalp is that it increases blood circulation in your scalp area, and it also stimulates hair follicles. You know, when your hair follicles are stimulated, what does it mean? Your hair will be growing as fast as possible. So another way you can also improve your scalp health is washing off product buildup. Whenever you're moisturizing your hair, you know you're introducing new products all the time on your hair. Wash your hair at least within 3 to 4 weeks, I would say, because some people carry their protective style for like up to 4 weeks, or some person 6 weeks. But whatever that is okay by you, just do you. But then make sure your scalp is always clean. Remember what I said in the beginning: a healthy scalp equals a healthy hair. So number two tip I'll be giving you is the protective styles all the time. When I was in school, so I'm actually saying this when I was in school. Yeah, when I was in school, because I'm a new graduate. I just graduated. You know, I'm saying, so when I was in school, I always stay on protective style. Then my friends would be like, Miss Mom, why don't you like making your hair? This, that, that. It's not that I don't like braids. Ever since I learned the importance of protective style to natural hair, I always stock in my hair in protective style, in bonds, in braid. And sometimes I also do braids. Don't think I don't do braid at all, at all. Yeah, I actually do braids. But then I do braids and more of twisty. The benefit of twisting out your natural hair cannot be emphasized. One is that it doesn't hurt your roots, because anything that will hurt your roots is not good for your natural hair. So I always tuck in my hair in twist. This right here is the video of me in my natural twist. The third tips I'll be giving is moisturizing your natural hair. I actually dropped a video on how to moisturize your natural hair. This is the link up here. Make sure you watch the video so that you will learn. I can't emphasize the importance of moisturizing hair, but then I will give you one of it. You can go and watch everything that I said about moisturizing your hair, how to moisturize your natural hair, all of that I said in this video. But then I will give you the most, for me personally, the most important reason why you should moisturize your hair. The most for me is it reduces breakage. When your hair is moisturized, like when you use the right products to moisturize your hair and you moisturize it the right way, go and watch that video so that you can learn how to moisturize your natural hair. That's if you've not watched it. So when you use the right products to moisturize your natural hair, guys, you will see the difference. If your hair is always breaking and all of that, you will always see the difference. Please make sure you learn. Go and watch this video, because I don't want to talk much on how to moisturize your natural hair here. I'm just giving you tips on what to do on how to moisturize your natural hair. Please let me know in the comment section if you want me to drop more emphasis on the kind of protective styles you'll be doing, or the best ones to do to protect your natural hair. So the fourth tip I'll be giving you is the kind of products and the kind of oil you should use. So in this video, I'll be showing you some of my product I use. This right here, I don't know if you're seeing it very well. I actually got it recently, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I use this hair mask. Please subscribe so that you learn, not later when I drop videos and you'll be asking me, so how is this, how is that? Please follow the trend. So the other product I use is this my formulated moisturizer. This product is made with shea butter, castor oil, rosemary, cloves, and coconut oil. I can't even emphasize what how this product has been helping my hair so far. So this product right here is a detangler. I can't even say. Once you touch this thing, like you have a detangled hair and you need to loosen it, you want to comb it, you want to moisturize your hair, you just touch this product on your hair. Fast, your hair will just get so soft. It's so slimy, and oh god, I am going to do a product review on this. I'm going to show you how I use it, and in fact, anything I'm showing you in this video right now and you feel that you need to know more about it, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. I don't want any of you to be left behind in 2025. This is 2025. That your short hair that has refused to grow, it must grow this year. Now, this is the moisturizer I'm using right now. The fact that it's very affordable and it still does everything that you need in a moisturizer is a goal for me personally. So this is oil. I have a bigger bottle of it. Forget, this is not the container. I formulated it myself. Inside here is castor oil, coconut oil, cloves, rosemary, ayurvedic oil. Whenever it finishes, I'll make another one, and that's how I make my hair oil. So this oil can also be used for massaging. You should use your oil to massage your hair if you want, anyways. If you don't want, you can just massage your hair with just your bare hands. But it's actually an avenue to introduce more product to your hair and to help your hair to grow. So this is actually conditioner for washing hair, my hair routine stuff. Sorry, because the way I've been using it, the writing on the container has almost washed away. So it's actually very, very good. It smells so nice. Whenever I'm buying a product, I also like to smell it, because if I don't get a very good smell at the end of the day, I won't like it. So I won't even be using the product as much. This is it. This thing is very, very nice. Just check out the benefit of India hemp in your natural hair. It is very, very good. For the very last one is this TCB Naturals. It's just hair food. It's just like oil. I use it also whenever I don't want to use my oil, my hair oil, something like that. I just use it to massage my hair. It's a comb and accessories. I don't even know why people will be using something like this to be combing their natural hair. Like, I mean, your natural hair, or you go to the salon and the stylist is using something like this to comb your hair, even if when they cut out a portion of hair they want to twist or they want to make, and they will still use something like this. If you are still that kind of person, that means you don't even want your hair to grow, or you don't even want your hair to be good, because this thing right here will be damaging your hair through breakage. It will be breaking your hair because the thing is so tight. The only thing for me personally, the only thing you can do with this, that I'm in a salon or a hairstylist is handling my hair, the only thing you can use this kind of comb for is to just cut out, like make out that line, to cut out. Any other thing you can't do it. You can get a comb that is as spaced as this or even more. Just comb your hair. You'll be fine. There is no need trying to smuggle a tiny comb as small as this into your very big hair, thriving hair. You want to spoil your hair. Please make sure you go look for this kind of comb, or even the one that is even more spaced than this. I've been trying to look for a better comb, like a more spaced comb, but then I've not actually had the opportunity to see one yet. So in case if you have, or you know where I can get a comb that is more spacious than this, please let me know in the comment section, because this is what I need. I don't need to be struggling or receiving pains, or I want to moisturize. Sorry, I want to comb my hair, and then after combing, I have to go to the hospital for treatment, or I have to go and be taking painkillers, paracetamol, and the rest. There is no point for that, you know. So make sure you get a comb as big as this. There is nothing similar with you and this kind of comb. Trash this, unless you want to just use it to be cutting out your hair. Instead of that, get this kind of comb, or the one that is more spacious than this. The second to the last tip I'll be giving you is your wash routine. Make sure you wash your hair. Don't allow your hair to be more than 6 weeks without washing. I have this friend of mine, in her own myth, she feels keeping your hair will make it grow longer. The longer you keep your hair, or the longer you don't wash your hair, the better. When she makes braid, before she will loosen it, it will get up to 3 months, 4 months. Like, why? Why are you doing that? Let your scalp be free. Let it breathe. Remember what I said in the beginning part when I was giving you tips on healthy scalp. Your scalp is like the bedrock on which your hair grows. For example, now you are pouring oil on a water body. It is blocking the surface on which the oxygen will be moving around. I don't know, but then just get the memo. Just get what I mean. So imagine not washing your scalp for like 4 to 6 weeks to like 3 months or 4 months. It doesn't make sense. So make sure that you use the right products. After we've talked about the washing, wash your hair regularly. Make sure that you wash your hair at least 6 weeks. You wash your hair. 4 weeks is okay. That's 4 weeks is like 1 month, right? It's okay. 4 weeks is okay. So you wash your hair, use the right products to wash your hair. If you want me to list the kind of products you will be using, whether to moisturize your hair, whether to massage your scalp, your wash routine, and all of that, let me know in the comment section below so I can make a video for you. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are yet to subscribe, because I'll be dropping a whole lot. The last tip I'll be dropping in this video right here is what you eat and what you drink. Remember, the hair follicles are within the skin, they are within your body. Whatever you feed your body is the same thing your body gives out to you. So make sure you know what you eat, what you drink. You drink enough water, you eat more protein. More protein will help you to build, because these protein marks and all of that is just on on your hair. You drink enough water. Make sure you drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water, and then you should exercise. Yeah. Calm down. I know people will be like, "What does exercise have to do with hair growth?" Your well-being, your inner well-being is what will be showing at the outward. Eat enough fruits and vegetables. Eat enough protein. And then you can also add some supplements to your daily lifestyle, like vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin D, omega 3 fish oil, and the rest of all these supplements. It will really help you. So if you can take heed of all these things I've said this in this video, I promise you within 4 to 5 months you'll be seeing good results on your hair. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this video if all I have said that I do in this channel resonates to your style, or they are matching your vibe. Please subscribe to my channel. Even if it's not matching to your vibe, just subscribe. Don't forget to comment down in the comment section anything you need to see in this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next. Please make sure you subscribe. Bye.